A bouquet of chocolate on Teacher's Day. Quite simple to make. Take a square cut sheet like this and a thin strip like this, a few candies, chocolates. Then take Uhu glue and Fevicol. You also need a pen to write a message. We'll start by folding this square cut paper in a form of a cone. Once you have your desired side forming the cone, see that you place a glue at one corner of the cone in this way and fold the other side like this. Once you're done with this fold, leave it aside to dry, and then on that thin strip of paper that we had taken, write the message Happy Teacher's Day. Thereafter, you will begin sticking one by one the chocolates inside this cone. So I will begin with this munch one. I'll place the munch chocolate at the tip side of the cone, and for that I'll need to use the Uhu glue or Fevibond, whichever you like. Stick it in, and then slowly in the same way on the corners you all will need to put in the other candies or chocolates. So this is how your cone will look by the time it's done with all the sticking of the chocolates. Now comes the time to stick the Happy Teacher's Day message on the cone. Once you know what position you need to place it in, then paste it with glue on that place. And there at the end you will have to shape it to the cone curve. And that's the chocolate candy bouquet for Teacher's Day. Hope you all liked this new innovative way of celebrating Teacher's Day. Do let me know in the comments section how did you all find it. And as I always say, if you all are new out here, please do not forget to subscribe to my channel How Hacks. I'll see you next time.